Well, there's a lot of options. You can do manual load, you can do slide tables, you can do robot load, you can do gantry load, you can do side load. Um, your options are pretty endless. Automation, Sugino's actually jumped into that team or game, as you want to call it, where we're not afraid to try whatever the customer wants to do. We're doing some serious automation with battery companies, with the EV. I mean, we're doing parts as big as 48 by 85 inches with a robot into a JCC, and it's a front load, and we're doing it. So we can go however you need to go. A lot of customers, depending on the size of the system and how many cycle times they need to repeat, they'll either do a robotic system or they're going to do manual load.
So in today's environment, you know, everybody's doing it different, but automation is the key, right? So our team in Japan, here in the US, we've built our own systems. We've worked with integrators. Pretty much we can load this anywhere our customer wants. We've done gantry loads with customers where we'll have auto doors on the top, loading your parts directly in. We'll have robots where the front doors open and we're loading through the front, kind of a typical robot cell. We've got different types of fully automated conveyors where you're pushing parts in and out of the front of the machine. Building a few of those right now, actually, for a big. We have to introduce our vacuum dryer solutions. We make a multitude of different models, again, pretty much all customized for our customers' parts, and that will give them a production vacuum dry where you come out of the wash, you got a warm part because we're washing with temp 50°C water, put it in the vacuum dry, pull all the water out of there, and now you're on to the leak test with no water, and they can proceed with their process.